Om Namah Shivaya friends, myself Mahendra Kadam, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Mahayogi Rudraksha. Dear friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clean Rudraksha or how to maintain Rudraksha. So if you want to know my advice on this, then there is one request, and that request is please watch this video till the end. Please like this video. Please share this video in your community, friends, relatives, neighbors, whoever are interested in these kind of religious articles, divine articles. And if you feel this channel worthy enough, then please subscribe to the channel, and while subscribing to the channel, please hit the bell icon so you get the timely notifications of my upcoming videos and YouTube shorts. Dear friends, there are there are many people who say many things which are really time consuming and not that effective. They'll tell you many things to do to maintain Rudraksha, to enhance the life of Rudraksha, but you don't need to do all those things. You just have to make sure that if you are wearing those Rudraksha while having bath, they automatically get clean if you wash them properly. If you make sure that there is no soap or shampoo has been stuck on the surface in the pores of the Rudraksha, because as you know, the outer surface it is like that only, that anything can easily get stuck on that particular part of the Rudraksha. So you clean it properly. So if you are following this routine, then you don't need to do any other thing to clean the Rudraksha. But many people have got habit of taking out the Rudraksha before going to bed, and next day they wear Rudraksha after having bath. So that is also fine. Then in that case, what you can do after having bath, you can hold your hand like this, and then you keep all your Rudraksha, whatever quantity Rudraksha you have, you place them in your palms, both the palms, and then place your two folded palms, hands under the running tap water for a few seconds. So with the force of water, whatever dust or dirt which has been stuck on that Rudraksha, it will get automatically cleaned. You don't have to do any other thing. And then once it is done, take a piece of dry cloth and then wipe them properly. If you still feel then that the beads are little bit wet, then you can keep them under fan for a few minutes, then they can get dry. So this procedure, if you follow, it is hardly 2 minutes, and we all have 2 minutes for the divine product. So this is for the maintaining Rudraksha or the cleaning Rudraksha. And while using Rudraksha, you may feel that sometimes the Rudrakshas are looking dull, sometimes the Rudrakshas are not looking lively. So what you can do in that case to enhance the life of the Rudraksha, apart from cleaning them on a regular interval, say after 10 days or 15 days or once in a week or twice in a month, whenever you feel, as I said, that the bead is looking dull or it is not looking lively, you can take a toothbrush. You can, in fact, you can keep one toothbrush in spare, particularly for this work. And whatever oil you have at your home, it can be coconut oil, it can be olive oil, or it can be a mix of sandalwood and olive oil. So you put few drops of those oil on the brush, and then apply gently on that Rudraksha. In that way, if you will see, the beads are looking lively again. So first I said first I guided you as to how to clean the Rudraksha, and this is the second procedure. If you maintain this procedure also, then the life of Rudraksha will be enhanced. As I said, cleaning and oiling is very important for the Rudraksha, and these things hardly take any time of yours. I know we all are busy, we all are very much stuck in our daily routine, so we don't have much time, but this is hardly any time. Dear friends, please remember, Rudrakshas are religious and divine articles. They are there to help you, they are there to support you. So if you want Rudraksha to help you, you need to help Rudraksha by keeping it clean, because it is sacred, it is auspicious. And another point I forgot to mention, that I said while having bath, if you are wearing Rudraksha, then make sure you are cleaning it properly. That is necessary, because whatever energy or vibrations you are getting from the Rudraksha, it is coming from the inside of that Rudraksha. So the pore, the outer structure, if it has got dirt or any kind of dust stuck on them, then the vibration or the energy, it doesn't come out come out of that Rudraksha, and it doesn't align with the frequency of your body. So make sure you do that. And then sometime what happens, while if I follow, as you may say ki I follow your routine every day after bath, I clean the Rudraksha as per your advice, but still I feel there has been dust stuck inside. So in that case, you can soak the beads if it has got a lot of dust and dirt which is not coming out at all. So you can soak them in water overnight, and next day you can wipe them with the dry piece of cloth, because soaking them overnight, whatever dust which has been there stuck in the Rudraksha, it comes out slowly and steadily. So in that way also they can get clean. So friends, please follow these two procedures. They are not that time consuming, and they are not it is not, and they are not require you to spend any money also. So I hope you have liked this video. So I will take leave now, and we will meet again in the next video with the next topic. Till then, Om Namah Shivaya.